War day number 728. 728 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. In a few days, it will be 2 years. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes. It's still Wednesday, February the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved 2 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. It will be the binary puzzle. It's binary time. And we have not so good news in today's newspaper. We have no extra puzzles. So what I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. Alright. Binary puzzle number 8047. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 24 printed digits. Yeah. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's, here 1, there 1. 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 Okay, now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Then, between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, double 1. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Come on. Well, if you have 4 ones, yeah, it could be everywhere, yeah. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So this must be the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's and an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. We need to compare. The question is which row or column? Double O here. Well, cannot be the last column. Here cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, and an O. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fifth. The first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah, we need to compare this. This one I cannot continue. How about this row? Double O here. Here, no, cannot compare this one. How about this one? 1001. No, cannot compare these. How about these? 1001. Here. No, not the same. Okay, how about this row then? No. 101. No, 1001. Now I need 0110. Here we have difficult. Should be the columns then. 3 columns we have here. Alright. Double 1. Yeah, no. Double 1, no. Cannot compare this column. How about this column then? 01. Well, so difficult. 101. No, 101 here. 101. Come on, overlook something. Cannot continue. 011 here. Not the same. One. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10? I'm stuck, I believe. I'm stuck. 001. Double 1 here. Cannot compare this one. 1001. 1001. No, cannot compare this one. 1001. Number one here. Cannot compare this one. Well, this row then. Double 11, no. Should be the columns then. I cannot understand. 10, 10. We overlook something. We overlook something. Come on, come on, come on. Ah! Yeah, overlook something. Double one. Well. Double one, here no there no. Between two O something one. Double one here no there no. Double O here one there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here one there one. Well, 10 minutes. Overlook something. Overlook these two ones. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the additional one of the yesterday's newspaper. Until then, bye bye for now and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.